out here at the Amish cemetery, I guess, to make this work. The reason I waited so long to come up and try it again with a camera is because the Amish were burying somebody here, so I didn't want them to see this while they're having the funeral, so that's why I waited. But guys, I'm telling you, that was a brand new one that was referred to use, that connected with my phone, and just can't get a signal out here at the Amish cemetery. So I don't know if I just need to give up, or you guys got any tips how I can bust these Amish religious hypocrites, how they are vandalizing my dad's grave. I don't know what else to do, guys. Uh-oh, the Amish caught me.